Hello there, welcome back. So OnePlus 10 series will be coming next year and leaks have started coming in, especially from Chinese social media, Weibo. A leak mentions that OnePlus is expected to upgrade its camera module with an additional periscope lens on its flagship lineup, and it will offer up to 5x optical zoom. This doesn't sound much considering Samsung's S21 Ultra offers 10x optical zoom, but if you've observed, OnePlus has only provided a maximum optical zoom of up to 3.3x with its 8MP telephoto lens, so it is definitely an upgrade by OnePlus. Another thing is that OnePlus is now integrated with Oppo, moving closer together to explicitly share resources behind the scenes, with Oppo becoming the more dominant partner overall. However, this has a plus side. Now OnePlus gets to use the already available technology from Oppo. We have seen their innovations in the field of camera phones, and that seems to be helpful for OnePlus in its OnePlus 10 series. In another update to OnePlus devices, the company revealed details about Oxygen OS 12 that is based on Android 12. The update will bring new features and bold design. It includes Material You theming that will allow more theming options across more and more apps, wallpaper-based UX theming, adaptive widgets, privacy dashboard, and much more. Needless to say, with regards to Oppo and OnePlus merger, OnePlus is doing away with Oxygen OS as it is merging with Oppo's Color OS to create a new operating system for its phone lineup. As for design, according to one early leak, the OnePlus 10 is going to be a polished Series 9, suggesting that the phones wouldn't look that different from the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro that arrived earlier this year. But to be on safer side, let's take this information with a grain of salt. On performance front, expect Snapdragon 898, a 4nm based flagship CPU. A proper next-gen chipset unlike Snapdragon 888 Plus, which comes with a slightly overclocked Prime core over Snapdragon 888. We don't have Geekbench results of this CPU for this phone, but we have seen for some other phones, and the results are impressive. As for battery, the 10 Pro is believed to come with a 5000 mAh battery with a 65W fast charging. Now the best part here is that Oppo has announced that it will integrate gallium nitride into its batteries for the first time, and it will be used by its subsidiary OnePlus. This new adaptation ensures a given battery will retain 80% of its health after 1500 charging cycles, apparently well above the OEM's existing standard. So that's pretty much everything we know or we think we know at this moment. For more such videos, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.